My dear students, welcome all of you to my new topic, which is based on the basic concept of verbs and their numbers. Most of the students feel that verbs have no numbers, but this notion is wrong. Really? Verbs have both singular and plural form. Singular and plural form. Today we will discuss about how we frame singular verbs from plural verbs. We have to discuss some basic principles one by one. So my dear students, don't skip the video. Watch till the end. As a result, you will be able to know how we change the plural form of the verb to singular form of the verb. Rule number 1. The verbs end with CH, SH, O, SAS, X, Z. They take their singular form by adding ES. For example, plural verb, singular verb. We can take the first example of the verb which ends with ch. Reads. When we change it into singular from plural, as per the rule of grammar, es is added to the base form of the verb. Next, the verb ends with sh. With. Now the basic form of the verb ends with sh. When it is changed to singular, only es is added to it. Next, the verb ends with o. And really, its singular form is goes when es is added to its basic form. Another example of a verb ends with SAS. Another example of the verb ends with SAS. For example, press. Its singular form is presses. And another example of a verb which ends with x, fix. Its singular form is fixes. And another example of a verb which ends with z, budge. Its singular form is budges. From these examples of some verbs, it is very clear that the verb which is ended with one of these, it may be ch, sh, o, ss, x or z. It is changed to singular by adding es to the basic form of the verb which is in its plural form. You can examine, you can test taking another examples of verbs which are ended with ch, sh, o, ss, x and z. So it is very clear that the verbs which are ended with ch, sh, o, ss, x and the Z. If we want to change them from a plural form to singular form of the verb, es is added to their basic form of the verbs. Rule number 1 is over. Now we will analyze rule number 2. Rule number 2, the verbs ends with vowel plus y, plural, singular. For example, play. Look at the verb play ends with a vowel and y. When it is changed to its singular form, only s is added. We can take another example. Say. Its singular form is says. In this way, we can take another examples of verbs. Pay. Its singular form is pays. So, my dear students, in the rule number 2, if the verbs end with a vowel plus y and their singular forms are made only by adding s to the basic form of the verbs of plural verbs. So, my dear students, you can take other examples of this type of verbs and try to change them from plural to singular. Now we'll discuss about rule number 3. Rule number 3. The verbs ends with consonant plus y, plural, singular. We can take different examples of different verbs. Try. Look at the verb. It ends with a consonant R and Y. In this case, Y becomes I plus ES. It means when the verb ends with a consonant and Y, at the time of changing its plural form to singular form, y becomes I, then es is added to it. Satisfy. Now the verb ends with a consonant and a y. Y becomes I, then es is added. As a result, its singular form is satisfies. Satisfies. In this way, my dear students, you can take the examples of other verbs which come under this category, and really I feel that you will be able to change the plural forms to singular forms. Another rule number 4. Rule number 4. The verbs end with other letters. Other letter or letters except CH, SH, O, SH, X, Z, and vowel plus Y, consonant plus Y. Such verbs are changed from their plural form to singular forms only by adding s. Only by adding s. Plural, singular. For example, drink. Look at the word drink. Mark the last letter or last letters. Such letters are not ended with any of these. Therefore, only s is added to its basic form to make it singular. We can take another example, swim. Its singular form is swims. Read. Its singular form is reads. It means except these letters or letter, if the verbs ended with other letter or letters, only s is added to the base form of the verb to make them to their singular forms. So, from these four rules, it is very clear that the verbs have both singular and plural form. Now, we'll discuss about how will we recognize which verbs are singular, which verbs are plural number in a sentence. They go to school regularly. Look at the sentence very carefully. Here the verb is go and the subject is they. From this example, it is very clear that when the subject becomes plural, the verb also becomes plural. He goes to school regularly. Here the subject is he, third person singular number. When the subject is singular, the verb is also singular. They were my friends. In this example, the subject is third person plural number. Therefore, the verb is also plural. Kavita was a beautiful girl. Here, Kavita is the subject of the sentence. It is third person singular number. Therefore, the verb is also singular. My dear students, from these four examples, it is very clear that when the subject becomes plural number, the verb becomes plural. But when the subject is the singular number, the verb becomes singular number. We can take another example. I am a good student. in this sentence, the subject I is the first person singular number. Therefore, am is singular. I go to market Delhi. In the sentence, the subject I is first person singular number. But here, one thing you should remember that though the verb is in its plural form, but really here in this case, as the subject is first person singular number, here the verb is regarded as third person. And this example you should remember very well. Here the subject is singular, therefore the verb is also singular. And we can take another example. Latika is dancing well. Look at the sentence. Latika, third person. Therefore, the verb is also third person. From these examples, it is very clear that when the subject is singular, the verb becomes singular. When the subject is plural, the verb becomes plural. My dear students, if you like my teaching, please subscribe and press the bell icon, like, share, as well as comment. As a result, I will be encouraged and make another valuable videos for you. Bye.